Starting a dropshipping or print-on-demand business can be really easy and possible if you do it right from the start. But what are some things that you must know in order for that business to be successful for you? Let's get into it. One of the many problems that many of you are facing when you're starting your print-on-demand business with Printify or anything else is that you don't take your business seriously from the start. You don't view it as an actual brand, an actual business, but rather you just view it as selling random products, adding a print on them and selling them to whoever so you can just make money online. And this is not how everything works. You don't view it as its own brand. You don't think of the customer who is buying your product, what do they need, what problems they need solving for, and so much more. Your dropshipping business or your print-on-demand business is not just a random business where you take a random design, add it to a random product, and then sell it hoping that you get sales and make some money overnight. So the first tip that I have for you that would actually help you start earning from your print-on-demand business, and these are things that you can implement from your first 7 days, is to determine your type of customer or your target audience. Any product selling business has a customer or a type of customer. A customer that will love your products, love your brand, and love to join your community. Because the customer is who you need to think of first, not your product. Who's the type of person that you would like to sell to? What do they need? What do they lack? What is something that you could help them improve in their life with your products or the products that you're looking to create? Second, passion is really important. Passion will get you through the night. Passion will get you up and running and working on your business when not everything is paying and when things really get hard. So you must be at least a little bit passionate about the products that you're selling if you want to make this brand a successful brand with the help of a print-on-demand platform such as Printify. As a beginner, especially if you're not passionate about the product you're selling, it will be really hard to market them or to create content around them. If you don't want to highly rely on ads, you'll need to create organic content on social media also. So you'll need to be passionate about those products if you want to get up every day, create stories, reels, videos, photos, and so much more. I suggest you using ads, but also focusing on organic content on Instagram, TikTok, and even YouTube. And now third, before you start your print-on-demand business, you need to analyze your competition and what's in demand right now. So the type of product that you want to sell, the exact products you want to sell, you need to make sure that they have a target audience before you start creating them and putting all that effort into them. You need to know that people are searching for those products and that there are already popular brands selling those types of products and they have success with it. Now, you won't copy any of those products and you won't copy any of their designs, but you will get inspired by what already works because you don't want to reinvent the wheel, but rather focus on what people really care about and what they want. So your top competitors will show you what's in demand right now. You don't need to do a guessing game. Just see what's already selling right now, see what prices they sell for, see their designs, the most popular items, what people are searching for, what they're interested in. So in this video, I will share with you exactly how you can do this with Printify. Start a print-on-demand business that actually works and that you actually love creating for and finding customers that love those products as well. Thank you to Printify for sponsoring today's video, and we're gonna go ahead right now and see what Printify is all about. So Printify is a print-on-demand platform that you can use to start selling products in many categories. You can choose from women's clothing, women's accessories, baby or kids toys and accessories, home supplies, stationery, kitchen products, and so much more. Their catalog has a variety of products that you can choose from to start your print-on-demand business, even skincare products. So you can customize these products with your own designs, niche, brand, and create a print-on-demand brand that really represents the vision that you want to come across with your product. Printify is well known for high quality product, fast delivery, and worldwide delivery as well. And especially a fast growing catalog with all types of products that you can start selling on your own website. The prices are fair and they can help you get a really nice profit from your print-on-demand business, even a bigger one if you try out Printify Premium. Now let me tell you how this works in case print-on-demand is new to you. You will choose your niche and the type of product that you want to sell, obviously create a logo around it, a brand around it, again, determine your target audience, your target customers. So long story short, you want to create a design for your product, let's say a t-shirt. You go to Canva, create your design, download it in the maximum resolution, and add it to Printify to see how the design will look on a certain product. Then Printify offers you mock-ups of those exact designs on the t-shirts or on the products that you want to sell, and you can list them to your website or you can add them to Etsy, for example. Now what is really important, what I think is really important, is for you to order some of those samples yourself yourself, for you to have those products yourself, feel them, see their quality in real life, but also use them for organic content on social media. Real content that will help you gain a community around your product and around the niche that you're basing your print-on-demand business on. So now when you choose to design a product with Printify, for example, they give you a set price that you will pay for the shipping fee, the handling fee, and then you will be able to list your product on your website for a bigger fee, and what remains from that is your profit. So this is how you will make money with Printify. Now you will need to have some capital, some money in your bank account so Printify can withdraw that money and use them to send the product to the customer until you receive the payment from the customer itself. But then after that you will receive the full amount from the customer, which means that you already made your profit. So now that you understand how print on demand works and how this type of business model works, let me tell you a few tips that will help you get this business up and running and making profit. Now, of course, every business is different, your designs can differ, and your customer might differ as well. So I cannot guarantee that you will make a profit with it, but these are my best tips that usually work. My best tip is to think of your content and the content that you're creating and who is at the receiving end of it. If you're selling clothing, for example, don't just present your t-shirts in front of videos on TikTok all day and expect to get results. You will need to actually show how to style those clothes, what they can be used for, their materials, and all these educational and really helpful and fun videos that will help gain a community around your products and your niche. For example, if you want to sell skincare products with a print-on-demand platform such as Printify, you will also need to think about the product, what it does to the skin, how it does it, present all those benefits to your customers so the people watching the video don't just come in front of the camera and be like, this is my product. You can do that as well. Obviously, people need to get to know your product and what they contain, ingredients and all that, but you also need to go in the back end of the story. You need to understand why that product was made, who's it made for, and why do they need it, and present all those things to your customers so they can really trust you have expertise in that area and want to buy your product. Now, my top advice is for you to remember what made you buy something from a brand you saw online. For example, you saw a product in an ad. What was it that made you actually make that purchase? Was it how nicely it was packed? Was it the organic social media presence in the community they built? Was it that it was a really good product that you haven't seen anywhere? Did it have a unique design? Make sure to think about all those things and try to write them down, and make sure to incorporate those exact elements into your own print-on-demand business and product. Remember that this business model is not a get-rich-fast scheme. You need to put in effort, thought, actually do your research, and create products that people will actually want to use and buy. You will need passion, dedication, lots of hard work and organization, and most importantly, discipline. Because your business will not have sales all the time, but even when it won't, you will still need to put in effort and work on your product and your business and your social media presence. In the following videos that I will post on my channel, we will dive into this business model a lot further, and we will actually test out the strategies that I've mentioned in today's video. So for you to be able to see those videos and interact with them, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe down below for more such videos weekly. You can also follow me on social media, on Instagram and on TikTok at Lydia.incomingsuccess for more similar experiments, and for you to see the exact process of me creating social media content for product selling brands in every single niche I work with. If you need somebody to manage your social media accounts and create content for your products for you to grow your business and actually make sales, make sure to contact me and go to the website to check out all the services I offer. So again, if you want to start a print-on-demand business and try out this business model for you, make sure to check out Printify at the link below. They have lots of products in their catalog, a really high quality product, fast shipping in Europe and the USA, and you will have plenty of options to choose from colors, designs, and more. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video.